guys, and welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell from the title, we are going to talk about how to prevent your makeup from getting cakey. So I've been trying this new method and I've been liking it so far, so I'm going to let you guys in on my little secret. So to start off, after I am done cleansing my face, I go in with my Clear Natural toner, and after that I let it air dry, and then I go in with my coconut oil from Mzjwan Natural and my face cream from Gold Radiance Skin GH. So I mix these two together. Not a lot of the coconut oil. The coconut oil is supposed to keep moisture on my skin, so that's what I do. After which I go in with my Fasali Unicorn Essence oil. This one is for oily skin. If you watch my previous video, I spoke about it. So if you don't have the Fasali oil, that's cool. You can just go in with your finishing spray. Okay, and I make sure that I concentrate majority of the products on my under eye area. Next, I go in with my Rimmel Stay Matte Primer. It has been working wonders for me of late. So I mean, all the time, not really of late, but I've been learning to use it well recently and how to pair it with my other products. So that's what I'm saying of late. So I then go in with my Lux Hydrating Rose Water. So what I realized was that most of the foundation that I use is already thick because I have combination to oily skin. It's already matte. Example, this Super Stay from Maybelline. So I realized that the more I keep adding, because I want to cover my little dark spots, the more it becomes extra cakey and my face becomes very, very heavy. So I just decided to start mixing my mist, my hydrating mist, with the foundation to get it a little bit runny or a little bit watery, so that it will serve as a good purpose, and it's really been working for me. So I just put about 3 pumps there, and then I just spritz the mist there. Then I mix it. So as you can tell, it's a little bit smoother now and a little bit less thick. So I'm going to apply my foundation using my Colorbox Beauty Blender. You can apply it with a brush, but I like using the Beauty Blender. So just once that I dipped it inside, I haven't dipped it in again, and it has covered majority of my face. So I'm going to finish the rest of my face up. And for the Super Stay, I'm in the shade 355 Coconut. That's the shade that I am in. So I'm going to finish the rest of my face and then I'll be right back. So after everything, I go in with my Lux Organic Hydrating Rose Water again. Just to melt everything together. So good news, Evita Joseph has come out with highlighting shades or highlighters, and I got this one from the sale from Swanky Sales, and this one is in the shade Cosmos. It's a little bit of rose gold. So I'm going to try it out. The packaging is very nice. It's easy to handle. It's 5 grams, and when you open it, it comes with a twist, or however you call it. It has the dots are here, so when you twist it, open for it to come out from the side. Okay, so I really like the packaging. It's really nice. So this is how it looks like. Let's try it out. Ooh. Oh, for the record, I'm using the Colorbox highlighting brush. Oh wow. Wow. So for my lips, I'm using this Beyond Beauty lipsticks that I got from Cakey Beauty store, and I'm using the darker one to line my lips. They're both nude, but I think I'm going to go in with a brown pencil to just line everything well. So now after everything, I go in with my NYX matte finishing spray. So I got this brown mascara from Bethmian Beauty in the shade, ooh, that's the darkest shade. They have two shades. One is a little bit lighter than this, and I got the darker one. So my lashes are of course from Cute Lashes GH. I'll put her link down in the description box below so you guys can go follow her and also get the lashes from her. I'll put everyone's products that I use and their links down in the description box below so you guys can go check anyways them guys out. So this completes the video on how to prevent your makeup from getting cakey. So I hope you guys enjoyed and you learned a lot from this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.